Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have your Barkbox. Do we have your box today? Yes, we do. We have our March box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Vienna's Barkbox for March just arrived. It is right here. She's super excited. She definitely wants to know what is inside. She doesn't look excited, but she's excited. You want to see what's in your box? Yeah? Okay, let's see. So let me set her down. There we go. All right, so this is the March box. Let's see what's inside. So that's what it looks like when you first open it up. It says Magnificent Magic Box. Ooh, are you gonna do magic tricks? What you gonna do? Let's see. Ready? How cute. She's gonna do some magic tricks. How cute. It says Labracadabra and Howlakazam. Let's teach your dog some new tricks. Your dog, yes, your dog will put on a jaw-dropping, paw-hopping, tail-wagging magic show. I want to see that. With every tug, wrestle, and chomp, your fine-furred magician will unlock the magic squeakrets of the great Barkini. Oh no. Plus magically taste treats that your dog will make disappear. Ooh, she can make tricks. Yes, you can definitely make your food and your treats disappear. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? Is that your toy? Are you gonna try to get it? What are you doing? Okay, so let's see. Since she pulled this one, it says the trick. Hocus Pocus, marvel as your dog pulls the rabbit from the crinkle hat. Hide the treat in the hat and sweeten the reveal. 2 squeakers, crazy crinkle, and a multi-part toy. So you have this little rabbit that, ooh, is that a big squeakle? Squeakle? Is that a big squeaker? And then so you have this little body. There's crinkle in the ears. And then the hat has a squeak, but no crinkle. So you stick the rabbit in the hat. You have a rabbit in a hat with the bat. I wish it was a little bit taller. I bet you that's what she said. With these little tiny arms. I'm sorry, I make fun of your legs. You gonna play with that one for a minute? Okay, sit on your butt. Here you go. All right, so then the next toy in here is, it's cards. It says, lick a card, any card. The trick. Tuck a treat in the pocket and prepare to be bow-wowed. Your dog will pick the tastiest card every time. Okay, so this one has a hole. So you can stick one little treat in there and the other ones do not have any holes. So she literally has to pick a treat, pick a card, any card. You might get it, you might not. But they have all these little squeaks and crinkle. Hi, you're my baby. Ooh, hi. Yeah, there's 2 squeaks. There's a treat trap. There's a treat trap and then a crazy crinkle. But that's really neat. It's not very deep. It, like, my finger goes halfway. My finger goes in like halfway, so you can stick in a little treat in there. That's super, super cute. Speaking of treats, let's see what she's gonna be chomping on this month. We have chicken crunchies, 95% chicken. These look like they're like dehydrated. They're like the little, the airy ones. They're like dehydrated or freeze-dried, it says, sorry, freeze-dried. Then we have Quacky Pot Pies duck recipe. Alrighty. And then we have Mega Moo Jerky Bites, beef lung recipe, chewy jerky. So, alrighty. So there's the 3 different treats. If you want to see the different toys that would have been in this month, how cute. So here's the rabbit in the hat that she received. Excuse you. Just pushing this out of the way. This is not in your way, ma'am. So there's this, the little bird. There's the cards that she got. There's this, and then there's that one, and then that one. I guess that one is like a, it says Harry Putin? I don't know. I'm not sure. But those are super cute. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and put her down and see how she likes them. I'm going to take one of the treats and stick inside of this one when I set it down, and then I'll put the bunny in the hat when I toss those down, and we'll see if she finds the treat. If she pulls the bunny out, we're gonna see what's going on, but she's already trying to play with the hat. Can I take you away from that for a second? Can I? Let's tell them about Barkbox in case they're interested and they want to get one for their fur baby, okay? Okay, so Barkbox, it's $29 per box. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $25. If you do 12 months, it brings it down to $22. And for that one, you get 2 treats. You get 2 bags of treats, 2 toys, and then 1 long meaty chew. She just wasn't eating them, so they changed her profile. So now she has 3 bags of treats, but you normally get 2 bags of treats, 1 long chew, and 2 treats. Then they also have the super chewer if you have a super chewer. That one is $39 a month. 6 months is $34. 12 months would be $29. That one you get 2 tough toys, always fluff free. They're super durable and they guarantee all of those. There's 2 full bags of treats, and then there's 2 meaty chews. So that is all the information about the 2 different boxes that they offer. She just gets the normal Barkbox because as hard as she is on her toys, she doesn't ever mess these up. So this one's perfect for her. The other one, they were just meant for like big dogs. They were too big for her. Like she could barely carry one of them the first time. So that is everything about the box. And like I said, now we're gonna go ahead and just put her down and see how she likes playing with them. You smell your treat in there? Your treat came out, girl. I guess she'll find it later. Look, you want a treat? It's right there. It's right next to you. Oh my goodness, girl. Look right here. Look right here. Yup, get the other one. Get it. It's right here. You nose does not work. Get your treats right here. Come here. Oh my gosh, if that was a spider, it would freaking bite you. Yes. Girl. And here's another little piece right here. Are you done? Look, right here. Look, look. Okay, now your treat's you got your treat. Okay. there's your magic trick. She pulled a rabbit out of the hat. Good job. You did the magic trick. All right, you guys, so that is her playing with her toys and living her best life as normal. Do you want to tell them your story, what you did to the lady at the vet? Or do you want me to tell them? Just want to tell you a little story. Took her to get her rabies shot because her tags are due for the city. So took her to get her rabies shot, and now they're not letting people in. You just sit in your car, you call them, they come out to you, they grab the animal from your vehicle and they take them in and bring them back. So I know this one always has like an issue with going to the bathroom when they do things. She gets scared, especially when they're doing like her anal glands. So yes, I'm telling your story about you. So I made sure she went to the bathroom before I took her. So I'm like, cool, she'll be good to go. No issues. She brings it back and I was like, did she happen to poop by chance? She's like, actually, funny fact, she did. And it landed in my pocket. Because you know they wear the scrubs and they have little pockets right in the front. So this one let one out. She just had to like get a little one out just because, and it landed in her pocket. Yeah, I'm telling on you. She's like, don't tell on me. It was hilarious and it was gross at the same time. But I'm like, how in the world, out of all places, it lands in your pocket and then you find it? Like, can you imagine reaching in your pocket, pulling out a turd? Guess what happens when you work at vet. But I was just like, she's like, oh, funny story. It landed in my pocket. And I'm like, what? I'm like, okay, sorry. I really made sure she went first. I'm sorry. Huh, you little brat. You little brat. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to share that little story because I was a little, I've never heard of a dog pooping in somebody's pocket before. I'll leave it up to mine. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the theme with the magical box that they have this time? Let me know what you thought of that. And yeah, your positive interaction, it means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.